Alright folks, so I showed you the pearl during the day and I thought I'll just show you what it looks like at night. So I'm going to do a quick 2 to 3 minute video just to give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like. I think it's a different ambience at night. I strongly believe that, and therefore you can see for your own eyes. Spectacular. It's a lot different at night. This is what it looks like. This is where I just had dinner at this restaurant here, Arabesque. I think that's how it's pronounced. So just do a panoramic view of this man-made island, the Pearl in Qatar. They're broadcasting the game, so the Canada-Morocco game has been broadcast. Hopefully Canada wins. So that's that, folks. Alright, I think I'm going to try to go to downtown Mosul to see if I can catch a glimpse of the lights over there. I don't know if that's going to be an easy thing to do because I think the metro goes close to it and I don't want to walk too far. I'm really tired. I've been walking a lot since I'm here, so we'll see. But this is a pearl to be seen. I don't know, not my thing, but still nice. All right.